Jab only don't mean call your jab. Jab only mean throw a sharp jab.
Bring it back. Don't leave it out there too long, Travis. Good.
You know. Right there is what you need to do, right there. Ready for the flick?
Keep your chin down.
Get ready to step in with it.
I do that too.
The head move. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. That means spot out of it, bro.
Just get light on your feet. Relax. Relax.
Relax. There you go. Relax. Do that again, then 1, 2 to that. There you go. There you go. Don't leave with it. Don't leave with it. You want to catch up?
No.
Lean really over. Is that
Not necessarily. And you see a lot of, like they're doing a lot of leaving their hands out there. A lot of their punches are real lazy and not coming back.
I know what he's getting.
Simon, get ready. Simon, get ready.
Look how tight he is. Relax, relax, relax your shoulders.
Every time he throws a shot, he goes, all the oxygen leaves his lungs. So when someone touches him, he's originally out of breath. They can't recuperate his left, all the air out of his lungs.
Stop!
That's why he gets so tight.